Hello guys, it's been a while since we don't upload a video. This video is gonna be about how to configure your account on admin.sharkmoney.com once you receive your rig. This procedure will be the same for all the other coins. We're gonna be doing this for Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, but remember, all the procedure always will be the same. First step you will need is a wallet. You need to create a wallet on Exodus. We recommend Exodus for mining. Once you receive your coins on Exodus, then you can change it. Then you can transfer those coins to Binance or Coinbase, and then from there you can exchange it to dollars if that's what you wish. Another thing, the second step will be having a pool, and the pool is recommended into the software. So you don't need to go online and look for the pool by yourself. All of them will be included depending on the coin you want to mine. And the third step, of course, will be having your mining software, which is SharkOS, and all the setup will be pretty easy to do it. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. The first thing you need to do once you start your rig is go to your in another computer, your laptop or a cell phone. We recommend the laptop. Go to a web browser and you're gonna type admin.sharkmining.com. This is a web panel where you can control all your rigs from one place, and it can be from your cell phone or laptop remotely. You don't need to connect the motor anymore, and you can restart, change coins, change temperatures, overclock, everything from outside of your local network. If you have an account, you just can log in. If not, you need to register. After you complete your information, you're gonna receive an email confirmation, and after that you can log in your account. Okay, at this step we're not gonna activate the second code. You can enable that if you want more security to your account. So here you have your different farms, and once you get inside the farm, this is when you're gonna have your rigs. Okay, in this case you're just gonna have one farm, and inside here it will be your rigs, or how we call it, workers, right? We have different tabs on the top, which is important, and on the farm side we have workers, card, status, wallet, flight sheets, schedules, overclocking templates, activity, access, billing, and settings. Here we're gonna be focused on wallets, flight sheets, and access, which are the most important settings here, and of course working. So the first thing you need to do once you receive the rig is to create a worker, which will be the rig you receive it. We're gonna go to the plus sign, we're gonna add a worker, we're gonna put any name to it, say miner1. We're gonna put any password here, have to be at least 6 letters or numbers. A tag if you wish to identify. Usually we use tags when you have more than 5 or 10 rigs. Description, here we can say, for example, rig in the living room. Right, we're gonna add the worker, and automatically the system will give you an ID and a password. Now this ID and password, we're gonna need it now to the rig. So the next step will be going to the rig. We're gonna see, once we hit enter on the rig, we see that it will ask us for the rig ID. We're gonna put this number, and then it will ask for the password. We're gonna put the password, and it will load some commands in order to update the software. Once you get to the bottom, you will see that said in green letters, happy mining. If you see that, your rig now is connected to your account. After the rig is connected to your account, you go to test farm, you go to your farm again on the top, and now you should see your rig here. So let's say miner1, and it said offline because we don't have a rig connected right now, but in your case we'll say it online. Okay, and then how many video cards? So let's use this one. And as you can see, this rig had before we had 6 video cards. All of them will show up here, and you have the normal specs and the normal features that you can have, and you have the normal information that come with the rig. So for example, on the first side we have Radeon RX 580. That was the card we were using, 8 GB, the brand name, and on the right side we have the temperatures, the core, the memory, different information, right, and overclocking. On the bottom we have the full consumption of the rig, the version of the OS at this time, and the driver's version for NVIDIA and AMD, which is loaded onto the system. Okay, once inside the rig, you want to connect the rig and start mining different coins. In order to do that, you can prepare your account from the very beginning on test farm and configure as many coins you want, and then later on it will be just switch between coins just with one click. Okay, in order to do that, we go to test farm again. We're gonna go outside the rig because this is where your account is, and then we're gonna go to wallets. In wallets, here you can see we have different coins, and all these coins we already configured, so we don't need to do it anymore. It's just one time. So now you're gonna go to Exodus. You're gonna go to Exodus wallet and look for the coin you want to mine. Let's say you found Ethereum, and then you copy and paste that wallet from Exodus. All right, and then you wanted to create the Ethereum wallet. For this, what you have to do is go to add a wallet, select the coin, and all of them are here. Pretty simple to look for it. You select Ethereum, you copy and paste your wallet here, put a name. You can put any name. Usually I put the name of the rig that I have. So for example, I say Ethereum AMD. If I have NVIDIA card, we said Ethereum NVIDIA. In that case, you know what miner to use depending on the cards you have. This thing is just optional. You don't need to do it. Just create, and now you will have your Ethereum wallet, which is this one here, right? So your wallet is created, and you can do this for all the coins you have. Next step will be to create a Fligh sheet. Fligh sheet is a command that will tell the rig what coin to mine at a time. So we go to Fligh sheet, and we're gonna create a new one. In order to create a Fligh sheet, it will be pretty straightforward, and you have the steps right here on the left side. So the first step will be select the coin you want to mine. The coin will be Ethereum, then add a wallet. The wallet, we already have it, is Ethereum AMD. But if you have a different one, let's say Ethereum NVIDIA, you can do that too. Ethereum AMD, we're gonna select the pool. Usually before, you need to go online and look for a lot of pools online, but now all these pools are here on the software already. Use the one you liked, and for Ethereum, we recommend, we're working with more than 3 years, ethermine.org. You select Ethermine, and automatically will pops up all the servers available for you. We have here Europe, US East, West, and Asia. We are in US East, so we click on that automatically. We click apply, and then the fourth step will be select the miner. Miner, you have different options, and all of them are labeled, which are from NVIDIA or AMD. In most cases, is for both of them. As you can see, this one here, you can mine with NVIDIA cards, with AMD, and even with the CPU. Use the miner you wish, but usually for AMD cards, we recommend Claymore Dual. We click on that, and that's it. Then you name your Fligh sheet. We're gonna call it AMD test Fligh sheet. And just create Fligh sheet. Once it's created, you will see in here. So as you can see on the top, it will tell you the Ethereum, Ethermine, whatever you configure here. You can edit all the files, or you can just let it like that, right? And you can create as many Fligh sheets you want. So you create a wallet, you go to Fligh sheets, and you create a Fligh sheet for that wallet or that coin. And you may have all the coins you want, like this one here. We have for Electroneum, for Monero, for Raven Coin, Zcash, and so on. Okay, after that, these are the most important steps. So create a worker, create a wallet, and create a Fligh sheet on your farm. Once you finish with that, then we're gonna jump to the worker, because now we're gonna tell the computer, okay, mine this coin. Okay, once you are in your farm again, go to your miner, click on it. Then you'll see that you have Fligh sheet here. The only thing you need to do is go to Fligh sheets, and it will show up all the Fligh sheets you have already selected, you have already created. In order to load the Fligh sheet, you just need to click on the rocket. So let's say this miner, you wanted to mine Ethereum with it. The only thing you need to do is launch the rocket, and it will start mining Ethereum. If tomorrow or next week you want to change and mine a different coin, let's say Zcash, and you create already the Fligh sheet, of course, the only thing you need to do is go to the miner and click on the rocket, and it will start, and it will change, and now it will mine Zcash. If you want to delete the worker, you just need to go to your farm again, click on the worker, click the minus sign, and then you're gonna type yes, and that's it. The worker is deleted. You can create as many workers you want, then you can create a worker again, and the procedure will be always the same. Remember, you can control your rig now from your laptop or cell phone, and you don't need to have a monitor connected to it. It's just put in one place, and remotely you can change and mine any coin you want. Thank you for watching this video, and keep tuned for the next one. Bye.